Hello students, welcome to Target for IQ. Uh, we really want to congratulate all those who have been qualified for the preliminary examinations and are now going to write the mains examination. हमारी राजस्थान मेंस के डेट प्रीलिमिनरी एग्ज़ाम का जो नोटिफिकेशन है, जो उसका रिज़ल्ट का नोटिफिकेशन है, उसी में प्रोवाइडेड थी. दैट इज़ 31st ऑफ अगस्त एंड 1st ऑफ सितंबर. और जहाँ तक है आपका जो एग्ज़ाम है वो उन्हीं डेट्स को कंडक्ट हो जाएगा. In this video we are basically going to discuss with you the syllabus of the Rajasthan Judicial Services mains examination, as well as about the format, about the dates, जहाँ पर हम किस तरह से आपके सिलेबस को we'll go through a revision with you along with the all the important questions जो कि पूछे जा चुके हैं प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स में. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देर वुड बी अ रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द जजमेंट राइटिंग. हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. आपको पहले सिलेबस जो है उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं, बताना. सबसे पहले आता है हमारा सिविल लॉ पेपर 1, जिसको हम बोलते हैं बेसिकली कंप्राइजेस ऑफ सिविल लॉ सब्जेक्ट्स which are Code of Civil Procedure, Constitution of India, Indian Contract Act, Indian Evidence Act, Limitation Act, Specific Relief Act, Transfer of Property Act, Interpretation of Statutes and Rajasthan Rent Control Act. ये सब आपके इन सारे सब्जेक्ट से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं उनसे थोड़े ज़्यादा पूछे जाते हैं विच वुड बी कैटेगराइज्ड एज द मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स, वाइल कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जो आपके कैटेगराइज्ड होंगे एज द माइनर सब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है, लेकिन सब्जेक्ट्स आपके सारे कवर होंगे अलॉन्ग विद ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस विच हैव बीन आस्क्ड इन डिफरेंट ईयर्स. इसके साथ ही आपको जजमेंट राइटिंग की रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस भी कराई जाएगी. Law paper 2, which basically comprises of criminal law subjects, Code of Criminal Procedure, Indian Evidence Act, Indian Penal Code, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act, Negotiable Instruments Act, Probation of Offenders Act, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act and Framing of Charge, plus the Judgment Writing. ठीक है, हर पेपर में आपको 2 जजमेंट राइटिंग आती है देने के लिए, यानी कि आपको 2 सिविल जजमेंट राइटिंग एंड 2 क्रिमिनल जजमेंट राइटिंग के लिए यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर, एंड दैट टू यू हैव टू डू दैट विद सर्टेन एक्सरसाइजेस एज वेल, जिसका हम आपके प्रैक्टिस सेट्स भी प्रिपेयर करेंगे जो आप टाइम टू टाइम जजमेंट राइटिंग जिन पर आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. टाइम बहुत कम है, हमें सारा सिलेबस टाइम से पहले विद इन 1 month we have to complete it. So this is the chronology in which we are going to deal with the subjects. First we'll deal see, one major law would be taught and along with that minor laws would be taken up. First would be the Constitution, that would be from 17th of July to 24th of July, and along with that Rajasthan Rent Control Act and Specific Relief Act would be covered. Then from 25th of July to 1st of August we'll deal with Code of Civil Procedure 1908, and along with it we'll complete Limitation Act, Transfer of Property Act. From 2nd of August to 8th of August we'll deal with the Evidence Act and Probation of Offenders Act, Negotiable Instruments Act. Specifically chapter 17 has been held in the syllabus, so we'll deal with only chapter 17 of this act. Then from 8th of August to 13th of August we'll deal with Indian Penal Code and Protection of Women from Domestic Violence. 14th of August to 20th of August we'll deal with the Code of Criminal Procedure and Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Act. From 21st of August to 23rd of August we'll go with the Indian Contract Act and Interpretation of Statutes. There would be a regular tests which would be conducted from time to time, for which the series would be released as and when your subjects are getting completed. We'll conduct the test accordingly. For each subject there would be a test, and apart from that there would be mock test papers which would be comprising of all these subjects. ठीक है, all the important topics, and also we'll also provide you with the classes dealing with the language papers, which basically comprise of English essay writing and Hindi essay writing. So in Hindi language and in English language essay writing there are 3 topics on which you have to write essays. To total out of 6 topics you have to write essays on 3. ठीक है, and these 6 topics are divided into 3 categories. One is related to social legal issues, other is purely legal issues, and the third category comprises of Rajasthan specific issues. We really hope to see you succeed in your examination with flying colors. We wish you the very best, all the best, best of luck for your upcoming examination, your Rajasthan Judicial Services mains examination. We would be really happy and glad to serve you. And if you want our guidance, our assistance, you can contact us on the numbers which have been provided over here in our PDFs, even in our description link. All the very best. Thank you.